How to delete Meta Business Suite. So let's say you want to delete the Meta Business Suite account. In order to do so, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar, search for business.facebook.com. Enter the login credential of the account that you want to delete. Once you have been logged into your specific account, move into your settings. Inside settings, scroll all the way down and then click on Business Information. Inside Business Information, this interface will appear. At the top right, you can see it says Permanently Delete Business. All you want to do is click on it. This interface will pop up. Over here it says, once you delete your business manager, this action can't be reserved. To help us improve, tell us why you want to delete your business manager account. Which means that you cannot delete it directly. You have to schedule it for the deletion. Select the reason why you want to delete and then click on Next. Once again click on Next. Now for the security, you have to enter your password of your account. Once you have entered, click on Submit. And within some period of time, your account will be deleted successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can delete Meta Business Suite. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.